Hello, welcome to another video. Today I will be showing you how I made these Valentine pencil toppers. I have some friends who can't have sweets, so I thought I'd make them some pencils. So let's get started. I found these pencils in the $1 section, and we are going to use bubblegum pink acrylic paint and Mars red acrylic paint. We're going to paint 5 pencils pink and 5 pencils red. You're going to paint them several times till you can't see the design that's underneath. You can, if you want to make it easier on yourself, just buy Valentine Day pencils, but I wanted to make these pencils my own. Here are the pieces that we cut out with our Cricut. You have 2 heart-shaped wings, 1 winky eye heart, and 1 black heart. You're going to put glue on the back of the smiley winky heart, and then you're going to glue that on top of the white one. You'll need to do both because you're going to do it on each side, and it should look like that when you're done. Now let's do the red one, and this is what the red one's going to look like when done. I used that styrofoam to stick the pencils in so that they could air dry. We're going to use the candy pink glitter and the flamingo pink. Looks more red to me, so I don't really get why it's called flamingo pink, but that's what we're going to use. You're going to repaint them with the glitter paint like last time. And it is a slow, long process, but it's worth it. Now I'm going to use permanent tape to tape the 2 hearts together. In the middle, you're going to place your pencil. That does mean you are going to lose the eraser, but I didn't really care about the eraser. I just wanted the cute topper on top. You're really going to make sure that those wings line up so when you turn it, you can't tell that there is another side. And there we go, there's the red one. You're going to do this to your pink hearts as well. Now that these 2 are done, you're going to do this to the rest of your pencils. Ta-da! Here are the pencil heart-shaped toppers that you can make for Valentine Day gifts. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe. If you want other ideas, go check out my other video that I posted a couple days ago. Thanks for watching. Bye!